Welcome to lab hacks you won't find in the manual. These are smart, practical tips to help you work faster, cleaner, and more efficiently at the bench. Start by mastering your pipette. Pre-wetting tips improves precision, silicone spray can fix sticky plungers, and reusing tips for buffers helps reduce waste. Just make sure it's allowed. Keep enzymes and sensitive reagents cool with a DIY ice setup. Flip your tubes in the freezer to avoid leaks, and always aliquot to reduce freeze-thaw cycles. Stubborn gel combs or tips? Soak them in sodium hydroxide overnight. Use ethanol and Q-tips for spot cleaning, and label reusable items to stay organized. Stubborn gel combs or tips? Soak them in sodium hydroxide overnight. Use ethanol and Q-tips for spot cleaning, and label reusable items to stay organized. Use colored tape or stickers to keep track of your steps. Write quick notes on parafilm or the bench and set up your reagents in reverse to stay on track. Never rush. A calm, organized approach saves time and reduces errors. Share your tricks with the team, and keep a record of what works best. Upgrade your workflow with trusted products from Gentaur. From reagents to diagnostic kits, we've got what your lab needs. Visit Gentaur.com and take your research further.